So as you can see, on Thursday we had core retail sales that was being released. In the afternoon, you can see that the core retail sales was minus 0.6 compared to 0.2. That was the forecast, and the previous was much better. The initial jobless claim was good. We can see clearly that we have 212k, which was compared to the 2119 that was forecasted. The FED's index was also good, as you can clearly see over here. But the retail sales, that's both the core retail sales and the retail sales, was all bad. You can see minus 0.8 compared to minus 0.2. So these two news was bad. That's the core retail sales and the retail sales. And this particular news, the retail sales, overshadowed the initial jobless claims and the Philadelphia Fed's manufacturing PMI index. So it caused GBPUSD to go bullish because it caused the dollar index to fall. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. This is over here. You can see this is 230. So this is the 1 minute candle. You can see how bullish the 1 minute candle was. This is over here. This candle is a news candle. So price moved from this area all the way up to this particular area. That is a whopping 31 pips in one candle. That's in the 1 minute candle. 31 pips before pulling back down. You can see when price pulled back down, it formed a new support around this area. Then it just kept forming a series of higher highs, higher lows, stuff like that, and finally broke the zone. So price went up, dropped a little bit, went up, dropped again, it went up. Then finally, when it came back down, it was able to break the zone. But you can clearly see that as price kept moving up, it was not breaking and moving back to the bearish direction. It just kept becoming bullish, as you can clearly see. So the news, let's say the news was let's just say 2 hours. So let's see what the news could do in 2 hours. You can see that from this area, price became bullish all the way up to this particular area. That's at, let's say, all the way to 5. So before the close of the London session, we can see that price moves all the way 52 pips in the bullish direction, or let's say 50 pips in the bullish direction from the news candle. So the bad news caused the dollar index to flop and caused GBPUSD to also become bullish. Now let's look at what happened to gold. So this is gold, and this is Thursday. The news is at 230. So this is a 230 candle over here. You can clearly see this is a news candle. So the first candle was bullish because of the good impact, because of the retail sales was bad for the dollar. You can see the first candle moved 53 pips in the 1 minute time frame. Then if it dropped down, when it dropped down to this particular area, it gained more liquidity to go back up, because GPUSD was gold was already looking bullish from what happened in the CPI. You can see, so from there it dropped down, then it gained liquidity and kept moving up. So let's say before the end of the London session, price had moved all the way to 120 pips. You can see it formed a double top formation here. So this was the first high. Price dropped a little bit, then it went and hit the second high before flopping back down. If you miss the first candle, if you miss to buy in the first mini candle, you can always wait for price to drop a little bit before you can buy now, and hopefully you put your target, let's say 50 pips or 70 pips, all depending on your risk to reward ratio. You can see put like 20-30 pips there. Price will go all the way to this area. So you can see that, let's say this is the first minute, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. So after the first 5 minutes candle, that's price rose up and dropped quickly. The next 5 minutes candle was bullish, and it kept going bullish all the way to 30 pips, 40 pips, or however you want to put it. So let's say you bought in this particular area and it kept going bullish all the way to this particular area. That's a good 1:4 risk to reward ratio, depending on how you want to put it. Yeah, so I think this is very good target next time. So when next time the news comes to this area, we know that if the core set is bad, it may cause this price to move bullish. So that's it for this particular video. Thanks for watching. Leave your thoughts in the comment section.